Did you know that the secret to a healthier, happier life could be sitting right on your windowsill? That's right, plants aren't just pretty to look at, they're powerhouses for your health. Today, I'm sharing the 12 healthiest plants you need in your home to boost your air quality, reduce stress, and transform your space into a wellness oasis. Whether you're a plant parent or a total beginner, these plants are easy to care for and packed with benefits. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to turn your home into a green paradise. Let's dive in. Before we get into the list, let's talk about why having plants in your home is such a game changer. Indoor plants don't just brighten up your space, they purify the air, reduce stress, boost your mood, and even improve your focus. Plus, they're a great way to bring a little piece of nature indoors. Ready to meet the 12 healthiest plants for your home? Let's go. Plant 1, the snake plant. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, this plant is a superstar for air purification. It releases oxygen at night, making it perfect for your bedroom. Plus, it's nearly impossible to kill, perfect for beginners. Pro tip, place it in indirect sunlight and water it sparingly. It thrives on neglect. Plant 2, aloe vera. This succulent is a must-have for its healing properties. The gel inside its leaves can soothe burns, cuts, and even dry skin. Plus, it's great at removing toxins from the air. Plant 3, the spider plant. This easy-to-grow plant is a champion at removing formaldehyde and carbon monoxide from the air. It's also pet-friendly, so you don't have to worry about your furry friends. Plant 4, the peace lily. Not only is it beautiful, but it's also a natural air purifier. It removes mold spores, ammonia, and other toxins from the air. Plus, it thrives in low light, making it perfect for darker rooms. Plant 5, English ivy. This trailing plant is fantastic for reducing airborne mold and improving air quality. It's also been shown to help with focus and productivity, perfect for your home and office. Plant 6, lavender. Known for its calming and therapeutic properties, lavender is a versatile plant that not only adds beauty to your space, but also offers numerous benefits for your well-being. Its gentle, soothing aroma is widely recognized for its ability to reduce stress, anxiety, and promote relaxation, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms or meditation areas. Plant 7, the rubber plant. This low-maintenance plant is great at removing toxins from the air. Its large, glossy leaves also add a touch of elegance to any room. Plant 8, the Boston fern. This plant loves humidity, making it perfect for your bathroom. It's also excellent at removing formaldehyde from the air. Plant 9, basil. Not only is basil delicious in your favorite dishes, but it also purifies the air and adds a fresh scent to your kitchen. Plus, it's easy to grow indoors. Plant 10, pothos. This hardy plant is great for beginners. It removes toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from the air and can thrive in low light. Plant 11, rosemary. This fragrant herb is known to improve memory and concentration. It also adds a fresh, piney scent to your home. Plant 12, the bamboo palm. This tropical plant is a natural humidifier and air purifier. It's perfect for adding a touch of the tropics to your home. Now that you know the 12 healthiest plants for your home, it's time to start building your indoor jungle. Whether you're looking to purify the air, reduce stress, or just add some greenery to your space, these plants are a great place to start. Remember, plants are more than just decor. They're a way to bring health and happiness into your home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow plant lovers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy living and home decor. And remember, every plant you bring into your home is a step toward a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.